A day in the couple's garden. It's harvest time. This is the most exciting phase of gardening. Though planting is also a heartwarming activity, especially for a couple of retired teachers, an agriculturist and a journalist. I dream of paradise in the garden of my thoughts, where fruit trees have abundant flowers, and of course fruits that are ready to eat and ready to munch. I also wish to be in the midst of beautiful flowers of various colors and scents. Now, this is no longer a dream. It has become a reality. Well, there's no magic about it. Planting ornamentals, vegetables, and trees has always been a part of my life since I married an agriculturist. There was a time in my life that I didn't like to touch the soil. But in due time, I have become converted to agriculture, and it has turned into a passion on my part. In our couple's garden we call Aloha Place, we have 100 varieties of ornamentals, vegetables, and fruit trees. Today, for one thing, we gathered flowers for my vase, blue butterfly pea flowers for my tea, some ripe pomelo fruits, green mangoes, chico, cacao, calamansi or the local lime, dalayap or the lemon lime, eggplants, and hummingbird flowers or katuray for my bulanglang or vegetable soup. It's harvest time. The joy overflows not just for the harvested produce, but the gardener's fulfillment after digging, watering, and taking care of the baby plants and seedlings, which are now full grown and giving fruits and vegetables for our consumption, from the garden to the kitchen to the dining table. The beauty of gardening is not just in harvesting flowers and fruits, but also in propagating, replanting, and transplanting. One way to propagate plants is through marcotting, a rooting process taught by traditional agriculturists, which is done through cutting the outer stem part of the plant, specifically below the nodes, where a soil mixture is attached to the twig or stem where the cutting of outer stem is made. The soil mixture, composed of 50% rice hull and 50% soil, mixed with water to form a mud, for the roots to grow after 3 weeks to 1 month from marcotting. The muddy soil mixture is then placed on a plastic to cover the marcoted stem part and tied on both ends to secure the soil mixture on its place till the roots come out and the twig is ready for replanting, as in the marcotting of new rubber trees on pots. Today, my husband agriculturist marketed 4 varieties of rubber trees: burgundy, jade, black prince, and pink ruby. This will add to my collection of potted ornamentals. While I'm doing my vlogs, I have sliced crunchy mango and peeled pomelo at my side. It's a time to eat and a time to write. A time to eat and a time to work.